Hello and welcome back to Marion's Fishing Adventures. It's been about a month. Other priorities, health stuff, life stuff, work stuff, doing my class C&E license stuff. We are currently on a rock mark. Wanted to fish a different mark and there was guys on it. There's that mark I wanted to go to. You could only get a maximum of 3 and there was 3 down there. So we've had to find another mark. 2 hours, all but 2 hours later. But we're here. Just chilling for a minute because I was blowing out my arsehole. Because I got like a chesty cold thing. Yeah, target species is Huss. Tonight, and just using simple pulley rigs with a rotten bottom style. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I would say where the mark is, but it's not for the faint-hearted. I got down here happy. Would come down here without my box first, but yeah, it's not great. So I wouldn't advise anyone coming down to this mark. There's a few marks around this area. There's another mark which is a rope mark, which could have been probably easier to be honest, but I've got my stepson with me, so I've got to think about his safety as well as my safety. So yeah, my rigs tonight, like I said, is pulleys, any fish anywhere, rods, and my Pen 525 Mag 3s. Yeah, the only bait I've got with me tonight is squid and mackerel. Yeah, I don't think I've got anything else to say at the moment. I was just sort of trying to get my life together after up and down finding a mark. I'm going to get my rod set up, my rig sorted, and hopefully get a bait out, because it's gone low tide, sorry. High tide is at about 10:30 tonight, so we'll probably fish up to that and then climb back up the fucking bank back to the car. I am in between Man Sands and Kingsweir. Some people might know the mark, some people don't. But yeah, I'm only after Huss, so it's a rock mark. And I know there's a big reef out here looking at Navionics. See what the night brings. Fingers crossed, tight lines, stay safe. And if you don't go, you don't know. See you in a bit. I'll bring it back. I just cast out. I had a tappy tap already. Hit into something. I don't know. It went solid, then went loose. So I don't know if it's a kelp bed. But I've just flicked it back out, and I'm getting a tappy taps again. If you look on the right hand rod, you might be able to see it. Just gentle pull downs. It's just tappy taps. Don't know if it's small fish, dogfish, small eels, rockling. I do not know this mark. This is a brand new mark to me. But I'm getting tappy taps, and it's on squid and mackerel. But I am using a size 7.0 hook. But I don't know if I'm into a kelp bed, but I'm definitely getting tappy taps. I've got all my reels on the rack yet. Because if I do get a monster, at least it can take the line. So I don't know how rocky it is out there. Could be some big eels here. Could be some big huss. I don't know. But it's a good sign so far. The small tappy taps. And it's on my right rod. I've spooled up new line on them. Oh, it's so uncomfortable here. Uncomfortable. I'm using the Tronex Pro. I think it's Blaze. £20. I really like it. Casts lovely. When you snag up and you go for a pull, it doesn't dig in. The line doesn't dig into your spool. We have got a bit of wind today. Not from me. If I'm looking at the weather forecast, it has changed. It changed direction since getting down here. Yeah, I don't know what's down here, but it's not here. I think we might get a bit of drizzle later, looking at the skies, and I can feel a little bit of damp in the air. That doesn't affect me. Well, it's gone. So I'll bring it back when there's more action. But it's a good start. See you in a bit. Hi everyone! I'll bring it back because I've got nothing. It's a bit awkward down here. I can sit nice. Set my watch up alright. But sitting down trying to film and talk to you guys like a weirdo, it's a bit difficult. So yeah, nothing so far. Changed baits, lost a rig and a shock leader snapped off. But I thought I'll bring you back and let you know. I'm not going to say what it is, but I've got something in the pipeline. Something a little bit different. Sea fishing still, but a little bit different. It's going to be possibly in different parts, and I'm going to fish around the bay. So I might start off like, say like Barbican long quarry, and work my way around to probably Berryhead / maybe Sharkham. I know some of you say that'll be outside the bay, but I still class it just inside the bay. It's still Brixham and Torquay. Look at him go! That'll be me one day. Don't scare me. Yeah, I've got a little thing in the pipeline. I've caught it all, so I'm just waiting to go out with it. Might be a bit early for some of the bigger type of species. I'm only going for one type of species, but I'm going around the bay fishing with it, and I can't wait. When I ordered it, I was like a fat kid in a sweet shop. I love my sea fishing, I love my bait fishing, I love all types of fishing, but I'm really looking forward to this. I think it'll be good fun. So keep an eye out. I don't know when I'm going to do my first outing, because I can go out for at least a couple of hours. Yeah, there's stuff in the pipeline. I wish it was my boat, but it's not that yet, because I'm not, still a little way off. Say a little bit. Got a few things to do. Yeah, I'm excited. I'll let you have a little goosey gander. Look, that's Brixham over there. Sorry about the joltiness. There's Brixham. What else can you see that way? I think that's Cod Rock you can see from Brixham near Sharkham. Sharkham's around that way. Mansands, no, Mansands ain't that far around. Mansands is near that over there. I will point out where it is. Yeah. I think the sun goes down about 8 o'clock. And sorry I keep moving you guys, but I thought you could watch my rods while I probably chat some gobbledygooch. But yeah, I think sun goes down about 8ish. I don't think I'm going to get much here until the sun starts going down. The wind keeps picking up and dropping off and picking up and dropping off. Yeah, I'm back out. Mortgage is almost sorted, as I'm buying my dad's house. Just got to do a couple things and I think it's ours, because we've got the mortgage in principle. Yeah, life's good, apart from this frickin' stinking coldy thing I've got. I know there's definitely some big husks lurking around. I've seen a few over the last few weeks, some husks coming out around here, man. Blackpool Sands, all over the place at the moment. I think they're coming into Perth. Yeah. Till then, guys, I'm gonna bring you back later. Bye. Hello, peeps. This weird ginger person's back. Nothing. Complete zero. Been having small tappy taps. I've been stripped. Way, not like that. I'm not stripping like that. Yeah, nothing. Hopefully, now it's going dark. It looks pitch black to you probably. The light is literally on its last legs, shall we say. Literally going. I'm going to have to put my rod tip lights on. Got about 2 hours till high now. Because it is about 8:45. So I hope something shows up. Even if it's a dogfish, I don't mind, saves a blade. So, yeah, not good. So, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to put my rod tip lights on. And then I'll bring you back in a bizzle. Take it easy. Hi everyone. I'll bring you back. Just a little knocky knocks. Nothing's come off him. I think small fish. Bait's getting stripped as well. So I think these might be my last baits. We're all but at high tide. So yeah, another blank. But that's the way fishing goes. You don't go, you don't know. Yeah. Sorry about there's no fishy fish. But I will be fishing these out, so if I do get anything, I will bring you back and show you, but probably not, knowing the way it's going. Yeah, keep your eyes open. Hopefully you'll start producing some new videos for my little thing I said about earlier. But yeah, till then, tight lines, take it easy, and thank you again everyone that's subscribed and liked. Hopefully we'll start producing more videos again soon. So till now, stay safe. If you don't go, you don't know. Literally just done my outro.
It's off. The camera's off.
It's not, it's on. It's on the phone. Literally just done my outro. Sorry, I just got interrupted. And nothing to scream and shout about. But I've got a little strap eel. So it's not blank. That's taken a 7-0 hook right down its gullet. So I'm going to sort this out. I think because we're coming up to high tide, these are going to start coming out and giving us a bit of grief. So yeah, unhook him, release him, and off he goes. See you later.